In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and delete OneDrive duplicate files and photos. To get started, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside OneDrive, you'll be able to review the files and folders stored in your cloud storage. This process is useful if you've uploaded the same photo or document more than once, or if OneDrive created copies with slightly different names during syncing. Next, go to My Files from the left-hand panel. This is the main area where your personal files are stored, and it gives you the clearest view when you want to look for duplicates across your account. After that, change the view to List. To do this, click the View Options icon in the top right corner, then choose List. This layout makes it much easier to scan file names, dates, file types, and sizes at a glance. If you stay in thumbnail view, duplicate files can be harder to compare, especially if you have a large number of photos or documents. Now sort your files in a way that helps you spot duplicates more easily. You can sort by name, date, modified, type, or size. Sorting by name is often the fastest option because duplicate files usually appear close together and may have very similar names. For example, you might notice a file with a name like photo.jpg and another copy named photo1.jpg. Sorting by size or date modified can also help if duplicates don't have obvious names but were created around the same time or have matching file sizes. Once your files are sorted, carefully review the list. You can scroll through manually or use the search field at the top if you already know the name of the file or photo you're trying to check. Take a moment to compare similar looking files before deleting anything, especially if they might be updated versions rather than true duplicates. When you find the duplicates you no longer want, select them by clicking on the files, then click Delete at the top of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear, and you can click Delete again to confirm the removal. This will remove the unwanted duplicate files and help keep your OneDrive storage cleaner and more organized. And that's it. That's how to find and delete duplicate files and photos in OneDrive. If you do this regularly, it can save storage space and make your files much easier to manage.